can
Right.
get to your drag and drop.
So
So it's
there's
all
a
about how to
customer
get to it.
that we have that you just kind of alluded to. There's a customer we've been talking to. We've been doing a lot of really great work for them. They're using Project for the Web for the schedules, but they had some pretty unique needs in terms of categorizing those tasks.
Sure.
Talk about
So
that.
one of the things, so what we accomplished was Project for the Web. It at the moment doesn't allow for custom fields. You're allowed whatever, what you see is what you get. Very WYSIWYG. That's okay.
Right.
But with Power Apps, because it's built on the Power Platform, we can extend it. So what we did is we extended the task entity to a couple different things, to include things like baseline, to
Okay.
include things like categorization of tasks. Now, when a task was categorized to a particular type of like 8 or 9 different types, it triggered Power Automates to go and move to add additional data to a different entity that can then be altered by the user, and they can fill in additional things, because we don't need all these dates associated to all the tasks, maybe only 3 of them.
Right.
And then because of that, entity is moved over here. We have another view that aggregates it all in one view by project. So now you have by project. You can't touch the project, can't touch the task name, but you can touch all the data, and you can kind of do a bulk edit on all the data across all of your projects for this slice and that slice and the other slice, right? So you can kind of get all of these at the same time, which is something, honestly,
you couldn't do
Project
before.
Online, customers wanted for Project Online, and it just really wasn't possible because Project Online built an entity for a project, an entity for that project. Right. So this is a different way of looking at the data.
Yeah, so the cuffs are off a little bit, in terms of, the limitations of Project Online, previously limitations. You have Project for the Web, and that's an app built on the Common Data Service in itself, but itself, is limited in some way. But here's an example of how we were able to extend it and create one solution.